Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, December is off to a very bad start. Uh, I hope things turn around. The only thing I like is to have this horrible trading right at the beginning of the month. It gives me plenty of time to make it up. And that's kind of what happened in November. But we didn't have a day as bad as today. We just got butchered today. I can't remember when we really had as bad a day as today. I'd have to look back, but maybe we did. I can't remember. But anyway, this is a Dow, and I kind of showed you this yesterday. Yeah, yesterday we had a big gap up, and then it goes up here above 30,000, and then all the selling comes in. And what happens is we end up buying a bunch of stuff up here, and then uh, as the Dow sells off, our stocks sell off. We closed at a significant loss yesterday, but then the thing gaps down today, and that's just like taking a bath in acid. Anyway, so what happened? I don't like even saying the words. Yeah, we closed out $42,000 negative. $42,000 negative this morning, getting out of all our positions. Just horrible. Nothing good happened. Everything was bad. Then, of course, after we get out, the Dow rallies some here. Ended up actually closing up 60 points, and we got into 10 new positions, 5 positive, 5 negative, and we're carrying a whopping $719 in open trade. So, actually that's a little risky too. Um, 10 positions is not a small amount, and if the thing gaps down tomorrow, we could be looking at another big losing day. Not as bad as today, I'm sure, but we could lose on that. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll gap up, but nothing looks very good. Nothing looks good today. Just a crappy, crappy, crappy day. Uh, I, I, I'm not going to be shy about this. I'll show you one of these really bad trades. I showed you this yesterday. This is WWR. It's Westwater Resources, and we had bought this thing on Monday. Closed pretty much just a hair above where we bought it. Big gap up yesterday, and then we got out here and we took $6,500 out of there. And if we could have just said, okay, that's enough. But the thing does this little bit of rally within 30 minutes after we got out, and we get re-entered at the top of that bar. And then it just slid all day long. We had a pretty hefty loss yesterday on the close, and then it gaps down hard even more on shortly after this. We're out 15 minutes after the open this morning, and we were out with a $12,000 loss. If that isn't bad enough, we had another one in Corsair Gaming, did almost the same thing, except we didn't have a good trade back here at offset. It just, we bought the high tick of the day yesterday in Corsair Gaming, and then it slammed down, and that cost us another 12,000. So we got two stocks here, just two stocks with a combined loss of $24,000. So how did we get to 42,000 loss? Yeah, we had a bunch of other crappy ones too. This is a crappy day. Just horrible. You know, if you're trading this and you're wondering, well, hey, I bought this system. What's going on here? And of course, what's going on is stocks do this. We had this fabulous month last month. We made, I think, $370,000, and we're up like 370%, I think, for the year. Just fabulous. And then we get into December, first 2 days, we're just getting killed. And today was horrible. That's all I can say. Uh, okay, I'll show you. This was the only thing good I have to show you, but you know, when we're talking about $42,000 loss, this doesn't do as much good. This is CPE Callon Petroleum Company, and we bought this the second hour today. It just went up like a rocket ship. Up here on top, we're up $9,000 in this trade, but like everything else, it didn't do well today. It, you know, backs off at least half, actually more than half of our profits. We ended up there with $3,500 in open trade profit in Callon Petroleum Company. So who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? But 3.5 thousand is kind of a drop in the bucket when you've lost 42,000. So anyway, I just nothing to do but laugh and pray for better markets tomorrow. So this is Trey Bob sign off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.